Oh yeah, look at that thing go. Look at that. I'm not even holding on to the trigger. Foot operation. This one right here is a 50 foot, so it's like long enough to go pretty much down any type of sewage pipe, say down inside of like where a toilet outlet is or something like that. I'm going to show you everything that you get with it. So it came in a box, just like this, and it's one piece. You can see all of the different specs right there and the part numbers. Had a little user manual right here, but if you've ever used one of these, you kind of know what to expect. But I'm going to show y'all some little extra features they had, which was this right here. So you get these right here, they're going to screw in just like that. You will have to put those on, so whatever type of attachment you want, you can stick on there. And there's a screwdriver that they included, a pair of gloves just like this. So this is like your drill style one. Now there's two ways of using this. So you can use it just like this and plug it in, but this is what I like. It actually has a little foot stepper on it right here. So let me grab a extension cord, and then you plug in your unit right here. So watch this. So you see how, hear that click? I don't know how well you can hear that click. Look, nothing happens. So let's turn it on. Push the button. Now the drill is locked. Watch. Just like that. So you can also hold it. See how I can lift my foot up? Is that not cool? If you want to adjust it or tighten it up, you can tighten it up right here. Here's where you're going to loosen it, pull out all that you need. It just slides. So if I want to go in that deep, tighten it up. Just like that. Set that. Whoa. And then I can run this down in there while I'm mashing that. That's a really handy feature, because there's no way you're going to be able to operate the drill while you're doing that, or the trigger. I mean, there's no way you're going to be able to operate that trigger while you're doing that right there. And it's nice and compact. See how I can just grab it just like this. I think it weighs about maybe 25 pounds total. It's not that heavy, so it's easy to kind of lug around, and they give you all the attachments you need and some tools, so you pretty much are set to do just about anything that you need. I think this would be a great option for anybody that's like a handyman, or anyone that's doing like plumbing jobs, or a carpenter or something like that, that just needs something affordable to get the job done. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Garvee, drain cleaner. See you all in the next video.